Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add profile information to the Gomez application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the My Account button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Profile, which is the second option. After that, select whether it's for a person or a company, add your email address, then type in your password and confirm it. Then you should add your name, then your phone number should be selected, add your birth date, then your street number or street should be added, as well as the number, then the postcode, then the city. Select your country from this list, and then you should tap on the save button to save all these information about your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.